Weight controlling drugs by Sayuriti from MYP3B. What are weight controlling drugs? These drugs control your weight and cause weight loss. These drugs are prescribed to you by a doctor when your daily practices like exercise and diets fail in decreasing your weight. These drugs provide weight loss and decrease your weight to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And you have to have a talk with your doctor to make sure that this drug does not affect any of your allergies. A few types of drugs. I'll be explaining about three of these drugs. And these drugs have to be used for more than 12 weeks, a long-term usage. Disadvantages of these drugs are constipation, nausea, and diarrhea. Serious side effects can also occur, such as allergic reactions and heart attack. That is why it is important to have a chat with your doctor just to make sure that this drug does not affect any of your allergies if you have any. Weight controlling drugs are totally not safe, but when they are used properly, they are effective. Legal drugs. I'm just differentiating between legal and illegal drugs here, just so that you understand the differences. So, legal drugs are medicines which can be sold in pharmacies and can be prescribed by a doctor to you. It is not legal when a person or a patient uses these medicines on a high dosage. It is not legal for people to buy medicines without the doctor's prescriptions. In America and other regions, 21 and above ages are allowed to buy cigarettes and alcohol. These are two legal drugs in some regions of the world. These are a few types of legal weight controlling drugs. Illegal drugs. Illegal drugs are legal drugs which are ingested in a high dosage without a doctor's prescriptions. Legal drugs cure the body, whereas illegal drugs damage the body and other significant organs. Illegal drugs can cause severe problems such as heart attack. When people use illegal drugs, they cannot make good decisions in their life and perform poorly in daily activities such as sports and other things. These are two types of illegal weight controlling drugs that are banned by the FDA. In the bar graph, it shows that a lot of people prefer using this drug as a medicine to obesity. This drug on a low dosage decreases the highest amount of weight. This drug on a high dosage is a little less than low dosage. And all the other drugs are not as effective as this drug. This drug is effective in decreasing the body weight at a low dose, as the bar graph shows. And this drug is a legal drug and it is one of the most effective drugs. These drugs can cause liver damage, kidney stones, and pancreatitis, which is inflammation in the pancreas. You can lose about 5 to 10 pounds when you use this drug continuously for 6 months. This drug blocks the absorption of fat in your body so that the waste products can be excreted out of the body, which contains fat. These are the capsules of this drug, hard capsules. There is another type of legal drugs. Unlike other drugs, this is provided via medicine vaccine. Vomiting and nausea are common side effects which decreases the usage of this drug. This drug can also be used against diabetes, one of the advantages. This drug makes the food stay in the stomach for a long period of time, which decreases appetite and ultimately weight loss. There's the graph for the usage of this drug. Another type of a drug. So this type of drug is obtained from two different drugs. This one is a weight controlling drug, and this one is a drug which prevents seizures and other dangerous diseases and side effects. This drug is the most effective weight controlling drug because it does not cause any brain damage or other organ damage. Side effects of this drug are increase in heart rate, increase in blood pressure, constipation, nervousness, troubles in giving birth. This drug is more effective than placebo. So there is a graph about the comparison between this drug and placebo. Conclusion. In my opinion, drugs should only be used when the doctor prescribes you, and you should only use them when exercise and diets fail in decreasing your weight. Science has provided the drugs which control weight, but it is our responsibility to not abuse the drugs. The usage of a drug is related to people and the government, so the factor here is social. These weight controlling drugs, when they are used on a high dosage, impact relationships with your friends and family because you act differently and you tend to be alone. So, drugs like placebo are fake drugs which just create a feeling to the person that their weight is decreasing. Such scientific misconceptions must be solved. There's the scientific information. Here's one of the most effective drugs in comparison to placebo, and there's the usage of the drugs and weight loss. My sources. The end. Thank you for listening, reading, and watching.